Hello, what a beautiful Monday. Yeah, I've been a lucky girl today. I went for a last walk with a friend, and the weather forecast was gray, but it is sunny. Yeah, very lucky to have the sun out today. It was a bit weird with the mask in the woods, but there were several people, and yeah, some of them were looking strange, but I don't care. I missed some of my advent calendar figures and things, so here they are from the last days. So we have Severus Snape, Minerva McGonagall, she's so cute, Victor Crumb, he looks handsome, and Igor Kagdorf, grumpy man. And on the beauty front we have this Drunk Elephant body lotion, so that is a set with the body cleanser, then the rose floral toner from Fresh, and this banana souffle moisture cream from Glow Recipe. This is only a sachet, what a pity. And whoopsie, Igor, the Philip Kingsley Moisture Balancing Shampoo. Yeah, and look to this. So this was my first Christmas card, and then all my friends and families, or some of them, wrote some nice cards. The plan is to watch some YouTube videos now because I'm far behind, and at 7 p.m. I will have a session. Yeah, I will have a session. Because today is winter solstice. So the shortest day of the year, the darkest one. And there will be a fuming session, a fuming online session. And after that, I am in a video chat with some very special friends from the UK. I'm looking forward to it. Yeah, maybe I can show you something during the fumigation, I'm not sure, but I will keep you updated on this. Never done this before, and yeah, I'm not sure if it's too esoteric for me. Let's see. All right. We are in the kitchen. We are starting to prepare the dinner. We are having a recipe from the 5 ingredients from Jamie Oliver, and this will be the pesto chicken in puff pastry. And instead of the tomato and beans, we are having some frozen peas, which are not frozen at the end. Results is coming. So here they are. They look a bit hulky. And for more Hulk green feelings, we have the peas. Oh, okay, this isn't a good idea. You can imagine. Okay, now, so this is our dinner. Looks healthy. Welcome to a cloudy, rainy Tuesday. I'm in my workout pants. We did another workout, a little HIIT workout. It wasn't as sweaty as the last one we did last week, but it was a good start, and I can feel my muscles aching already, so everything is good. Yeah, I just wanted to give you a short review of the session last night with a candle, and there was no fuming because the fuming starts today. I haven't told you, my husband cut my hair a bit on Sunday, and yeah, it's always so red and orange. I'm not a Weasley. Yeah, I think I will buy this living proof whipped mousse for some bleaching after having a shower. Yeah, and as we did some sports, we also had a treat. So I find these, and these are from this is not a brand everybody knows, but it's a soft cookie dark chocolate chunks, and it looks like this. It looks like this, and oh my god, this is chocolate. Ah, so good. We had a few of them, and they are really, really nice and soft and not dry. Yeah, I have to buy them when I remember where I bought them. This is a problem, I think. So I will jump in the shower now after some dry brushing. And any plans then? No more plans. But I had a very good call with Gina and Carolyn yesterday, and we had a good laugh and a good talk, and I was happy to see them and see that they are healthy and safe, and yeah. So off to the shower. Hello, I'm in the car. I've been for a walk, another walk with a mask in the woods, in the mud. Yeah, and now it began to rain, very rainy. Yeah, and yeah, I think we've been for a walk for 2 hours, and yeah, now it's cold. And now the light is gone. Wait. There it is. Just wanted to let you know that I was around, and I was in the supermarket this morning to get our duck breasts I pre-ordered. That's my little Wednesday update, and I will show you when I get up what was in the advent calendar yesterday and today. See you! As promised, this was yesterday in my advent calendar. So it's a nail polish, and it's the number 7. Is there any name? No, number 7. A nice pink. And the Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser from Glow Recipe. This is a very small one. And on the Harry Potter side, we have this little Fleur Delacour in her nice dress. Cute! And today, oh my god, she's so cute, is Ginny Weasley. She's the partner of, oh look at him, cheeks! It's the partner of Neville on the ball. Yeah, happy with all the good things in my advent calendar. Oh, can you hear that? Merry Christmas! It's the 25th of December 2020, and in Germany you usually unwrap everything on Christmas Eve, but as we are Britain fans, we are doing it on the 25th in the morning, and that's what happened here, and I show you everything I got. So from my husband I got this LitJoy magical subscription box, and the theme was Magical Alley, and he told me that I get this box for the next year. So the subscription box. He's crazy! So we have in this subscription box this beautiful candle turning thing with little owls. Then we have this nice perfume flacon. There's a wonderful tea. This is the key to the shop of Borgen and Burkes. No comments on that. Then we have a wonderful wand in here. Print. And Hagrid and Harry in the photo booth. This is so funny. Then a toad to start your journey to Hogwarts. Coin and some pins. And yesterday in the advent calendar was another Harry. So we have two Harrys. One with a jacket, one without one. Yeah, I don't need them. Yeah, I wish there were maybe Rita Skeeter or a dragon inside, or when it must be Harry, then Harry in his yeah, swimming suit or something like this. In the 25th of the beauty calendar was this Felix Felicis thing with a stand and everything. And I'm very spoiled with very nice friends, and yeah, they bought me some beautiful presents. So I have from my husband this cool toothbrush, the new fancy schmancy best thing in the world toothbrush. Then I have an exit game. An exit game and face mask, and these are all presents from head to toe. So the hair, the eyes, the body, the face, the stomach, some cookies, the hands, the feet, everything. So yeah, this is cool. And this is for our new squirrel. Her name is Gertrude, so she can come again and get herself some nuts. And from the same couple we have hazelnut cream and bath salt and a lot of tea and a lot of cookies.